we're checking out this cat back scratcher. So this one has sort of a cat's paw up front and kind of a bunch of dots on the back, make for great scratching. It has an extendable wand and it has an easy grip handle. So let's see if this girl here who likes scratching can handle getting scratched with a cat scratcher. Looks like she's okay with that. So if you've got to scratch a dog who's way over there, or let's say you want to scratch your own back or something, then this little scratcher will definitely do the trick. It's got little cat claws up front. It's got kind of a gnarly front there. And then of course this side really gets in there. And you can see she really enjoys how much this back scratcher can help her out. A little cat claw, the back side there. This will work on both puppies. I imagine it'll work on kittens just as well. And it'll work on people. So if you're looking for a great gift idea, or if you're just looking to scratch your own back a lot easier and effectively, this little cat scratcher, I better get back to work. This little cat scratcher is the way to go. Hope this helps.